Assalamualaikum Bilafat Huzur.
Waalaikumsalam.
My name is Lukman Ahmad, and my question is, if Waqfeen has been desired to continue his study to university,
What Waqfeen?
and then if Waqfeen has been desired to continue his study to university, and then he's facing a financial problem, what is your advice, Huzur?
See, if it is with regards to your fees and educational expenses, then you can ask Jamaat, and Jamaat can either give you the loan, soft term loan to complete your studies, or the scholarship according to the condition of the student, right? So if you are doing post-graduation, Jamaat does help to those people, right?
Yes, Huzur.
Okay. Now, next.
Jazakumullah.
Last one. Yes, last one. Stand up. Yes, come forward.